Dear student, welcome to NIEVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Medium School. Today I am going to take a class for class Junior 1 and today's topic is oral sheet practice. So dear student, look at the board and listen to me very carefully that I will say when the question, you should listen the question very carefully, and when I will say the answer, say it with me. Okay dear student. Okay, today we will read the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. So dear student, listen this and must carefully and attentively. Question number 1. Do you like to coloring? Answer. Dear student, say with me. Yes, I like to coloring. Question number 2. What type of picture do you like to draw with color? Question number 2, I repeated. What type of picture do you like to draw with color? Answer. I like to draw colorful fish to lemon with color. Dear students, say with me again. I like to draw colorful fish to lemon with color. Question number 3. Say the name of 3 colors. Question number 3. I repeated the question. Say the name of 3 colors. Answer. Say with me. Red, blue and yellow. Again, red, blue and yellow. Question number 4. What types of color do you need to paint village scenery? Question number 4. What type of color do you need to paint village scenery? Answer. We need yellow, blue, green, brown and red. We need yellow, blue, green, brown and red. Question number 5. Say the name of 3 trees. Answer. Banana tree, coconut tree, mango tree. Again, question number 5. Say the name of 3 trees. So dear students, say with me again. Banana tree, coconut tree, mango tree. I have already teach you the question number 1. So dear students, say with me again. Do you like to coloring? And say with me. Yes, I like to coloring. Dear student, you should practice at your home by listening and watching this video at YouTube. Dear student, look at the board. You have a SW also. That means art SW. A bird with stem without color. This is your RW SW. Okay dear student, you should do this SW at your home, and remember, you won't forget to do this SW. You should submit this SW at your school at every Sunday 8 AM to 4 PM. So dear student, abide by your parents, stay safe, stay home. That's all for today. Thank you.